Hey guys, welcome to another video by Akash Bagaria. In this video I'm going to talk about using OneNote for stylus and drawing stuff. So let's start with the basics. OneNote is a Microsoft software available within the Microsoft package, and if you've got a Windows phone you've got it all. The basic thing is it's just like every other Microsoft software. Word, Excel, Access. It has the family of font sizes available, just like every other Microsoft software. Same paragraph fonts. Then we have shortcuts, space options, file, ribbon, a quick access ribbon, a head ribbon. And what's the best part is, when you open the insert tab, you will have a plethora of options to link in your notes, such as you can add a table like we did in Microsoft Word, a file printout which I'm going to explain further, file attachment, a spreadsheet, screen clippings, pictures, online videos and pictures, link, recording audios, videos, date and time just like we had in Access, page templates just like every other Microsoft software, equations and symbols similar with Word and Excel, a history. A view tab has slightly different things, such as you can add or hide this page title available over here, such as this. You could transform it into a digital notebook, such as this. You could arrange the number of lines you want. You could arrange if you want it in squares. You could change the page color. Remove the rules line. Then history, review, just like every other Microsoft. And this, my dear viewers, this is the actual key which makes me love this app for its work. Currently I'm using a stylus, and as you can see, the dot signifies the stylus. I can draw plus hashtag x0, anything. Now the same moment, if I use my mouse, you'll see it turn into a cursor like this, and you can see the cursor blinking below the line. That's the best part about OneNote. So I can write with my stylus, and at the same time I can type exactly at the same moment. So it actually differentiates between the pen and the mouse. Secondly, it can turn my ink into math, such as if I write a sigma or a pi or a sigma, if I write a pi or d, then I can write 2d, pi d. I can insert it over here. So we can also add shapes, just like we did earlier in Paint. You can move it over here. Now coming back to the insert tab. Recently I have seen that videos from online tutorials about maths and other subjects such as physics often use such things. And believe me, I believe it's the best if you're planning one of it. So I can write my name, underline it. I can use rule pages. I can write notes for something. Then I can insert a table over here. I can insert a file printout. This is a very interesting feature. So if a teacher is planning to discuss a past paper or a question paper, he just has to do one thing. Go in the insert tab, go to file printout, and just select for his paper. So for example, if this is my paper, health is wealth. If that's my paper, I'll insert it over here. The paper would automatically form a printout and come in my notebook. I can do whatever I want with this. I can draw, I can add more stuff, I can add screen clippings over here. For example, if I want to point out any kind of a mistake, add notes, highlight something, cancel something. It's all at just a few clicks. I can attach files. So for example, I want to attach this file or an insert and printout. I want to attach the file. So I can attach this file over here. See, this is my file. If I drag over here, currently you will see a dot arriving on this. At the same moment, if I go to with a mouse, I can see this tooltip coming in front of it, the file name, and from where it's the file path and the size. I can move it as per my requirement. Then what else we have? Let's just see. Spreadsheets, screen clippings, pictures, online pictures, finds and ads from Google and other stuff. Online video, you could add videos from YouTube or Dailymotion. All you need is just a video link and there you'll have your video. Pictures from your PC. Online pictures, you can just browse and check for it. Screen clipping spreadsheet is an interesting part. If I choose a new Excel spreadsheet, it will automatically form a spreadsheet. A cutout, not the one like a printout or a attachment. A spreadsheet cutout to directly give me the information I need. Then a link for any text if I want. It can record videos and audios if I want. So that's how it looks like through a webcam. Then you could toggle it with your playback option which comes. Then you can add date, time, just like access, page templates. You'll have your page templates over here. Equation symbols I explained it earlier. Now, if you're planning to add more pages or more topics to your tutorial, you could simply add pages from over here. Now, one more interesting feature I forgot to mention out was, if I write my name with my stylus under the topic tab, it will automatically change my handwriting with this thing. So if I write, suppose, maths over here, it automatically maths will occur over here. For example, it's maths. See, and this is completely what can I say, there's no sync or configuration of my handwriting. It's only my handwriting. If I add a plus, I know what it carries a plus that way. I'll have to just erase it. Then furthermore, we can just insert clippings as I showed. For suppose if you need a screen clipping, what I can do is I could just add a screen clipping from over here. So suppose if this is the document or the question I want to print, so I could just link it over here and give my suggestions, or I could just answer my question over here. For a more interesting or interactive tutorial, you could add your video from over here so that your students or your viewers can see at the exact moment you're teaching something. Further, you can also add file printouts as I showed earlier. Let me just give you a more brief example, detailed example. Suppose if this is my own handwriting though, this is scanned copy. What I can do is I can change my pen ink to red. Yeah. And I can sit and analyze my own writing without even opening my textbook or notebook, without even opening my notebook. See, green wave, dates missing. I could point out my cancellations. I could just cut something if I don't like it. I could add stuff. And let me show you now an actual example of how a teacher might choose or how might he do a sum. So let's just add one more page. Yeah. And I'll first add a image, a screen clipping. Yeah. That's a question. Yeah. That's a question. And now it's time for us to solve. So we'll be doing it's like a true or false. I have to circle the correct one. So if I expand this further, so I'll have to multiply this into this and this with this. So 3 times 4y minus 3 times 2 is equal to 12y minus 6. There we have our answer, which means this is the right answer. Oh, and I forgot to write the topic, so if I write the topic now, see, let's just set algebra. Yeah. I have a topic, this is the time I started the topic, and this is the date at what top when I